Welcome to MyFinanceTeacher. Exciting news in Bitcoin. The Segwit 2x fork that was expected on the 17th or 18th of this month, November, is indefinitely postponed, and it's interesting to have a look what is going to happen to Bitcoin price. So the initial reaction over here was that the price jumped up close to $8,000 per coin. However, it is now quite considerably lower at about 7,100, and I think it's going to continue lower over the next few weeks. So on one hand, this cancellation of the Segwit 2x fork cancels this sort of dividend in the form of the altcoin that some people were expecting. So that decreases the demand for bitcoins, pushing the price down. On the other hand, this cancelled fork, of course, reduces a lot of uncertainty about Bitcoin going into the mid of November. So that should improve the demand for coins. However, looking at cycle analysis, we sort of see that Bitcoin price follows these cycles that last for about a couple of months, something like that. So I expect price to cool down for a while and probably reach a price level of about 6,200 or so, because again, if we look at the previous performance, the cool down periods generally come close to the cool down periods generally come close to previous tops, as it happened in mid-September compared to the previous top in mid-June, and as it happened in mid-October compared to the previous top in early September, and so on. That tends to happen quite often. So our previous top is around 6,200 per coin, so I expect that we might come down to that level, especially given that we've been relatively overbought on the RSI over the last several days. So it's time to cool down for a while.